Hi everyone, welcome back to another JavaScript daily coding challenge. The challenge for today's video is converting decimal number to binary number. Given a non-negative integer, return its binary representation as a string. Okay, a binary number uses only the digits 0 and 1 to represent any number. To convert a decimal number to a binary, repeatedly divide the number by 2 and record the remainder. Repeat until the number is 0. Read the reminders last recorded to first. Okay, for example, to convert 12, this is the calculation. So now we should provide solution for this challenge. So I'm going to show you two versions for this challenge. Okay, first let me start with first version. Here I'm designing a function called toBinary which takes one argument. Okay, now let's start by creating a variable binary and initialize an empty string to store the binary result. Okay, now continue dividing until the number becomes 0. Okay, for that let's take while loop and then decimal greater than 0. Okay, inside while loop let's take remainder by dividing the number with, here I'm using modulus operator to get the remainder. Okay, now after getting remainder, prepend the remainder to the binary string which we defined earlier. Okay, now for that binary equals to binary, first is remainder, so remainder plus binary. Okay, here we are prepending the remainder to the binary string. So after that update the decimal number, that is this one, update the decimal number by dividing it by 2 and taking only the integer part. For that what I'm going to do here is I'm going to use math.floor, okay, function to get the only integer part. So we repeat this loop until we get or the decimal is less than 0. So if it's less than 0, the loop will come out of while. So now we should return binary, that is the binary format or a representation of given decimal if that argument is not 0. If it's 0, we simply return string 0. Okay, that's it. This is the first version for this challenge. Let's run our test cases and then see whether our solution is working as expected or not. It's working as expected. Okay, now let me show you another version for this challenge where I'm going to use single line of code to convert the given decimal into binary. For that let's use decimal dot toString method, which is an inbuilt method of JavaScript, and then pass the base or radix to which we want to convert this decimal. Here it's a binary, right? So we should pass 2. So this single line of code converts the decimal number into binary format and then returns the string. Let me run the test cases and then see whether our solution is working as expected or not. Okay, let's run. See, all of our test cases passed for the second version of the solution as well. So here we have a total 4 test cases. That's it about today's challenge and the solution which we provided. Okay, if you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe for more technical videos to improve your coding skills. Thanks for watching.